Hi, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my room. So I got the idea to do my room because I am from Cocoa Beach, Florida. So we decided to bring the beach to Birmingham. So the entire room is based off of the 3 pictures that are above my bed. I definitely think that as much as I wanted to bring the beach here, I wanted a little bit of Southern charm that I found here in Birmingham, so that's where the burlap came in. So I had a lot of different ideas that I wanted to bring into this room, and we had no idea how we were going to incorporate the Beverly print with the shiplap with the burlap. So it miraculously all came together. We found different shiplap pieces that kind of allowed me to add my personal touch with pictures, and found different things at different antique stores that tied into my shiplap theme. Oh my gosh, having your mom move you into a dorm room is definitely an experience because you don't want her to leave. When you get to college, you're so worried about your mom leaving, and by the time y'all are done decorating your dorm room, you are pushing her out the door. But I could not be more grateful for her to come and help me, and this would not have been even close to what it is without my mom. So when my friends come into my room, it's like not just a, oh, this is pretty, it's a, wow, like y'all really made a lot out of a small space. This is not my first year doing it. My freshman dorm room was definitely different because we had to work in another girl on the other side of the room, but we did the same kind of thing. It was just as extravagant. I definitely think that after freshman year we learned how to make a lot out of the little bit we were given, but it really does make this space more beautiful when you can have boxes and storage that fit the room but that can hold all of your things, because that way your room isn't cluttered with all of your things and you can kind of confine them and make the room still beautiful. Regardless of if you're from down the street or from across the country, coming home to a room that reminds me of home is a really comfortable feeling.